graph the equation y equals 3x, select integers for x starting with -2 and ending with 2. So our first step is to find several ordered pairs that are solutions of the equations. Because there are infinitely many solutions, we cannot list them all. So to find a few of the solutions of the equations, we're going to select integers for x starting with -2 and ending with 2. So we're going to have our little table of x, y, which y equals 3x, and our coordinates of x and y. So we're going to start with -2. When x is -2, what is y? Well, y equals 3x, or 3 times -2. 3 times -2 is -6, so we have a coordinate of -2, -6. Next, we're going to find our plot when x is -1. So y equals 3 times x, or 3 times -1. So 3 times -1 is -3. So we have a plot of -1, -3. Now we're going to find our plot when x is 0. So y equals 3 times x, or 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is 0. So we have a plot of 0, 0. Now we're going to find our plot when x is 1. So when x is 1, we have y equals 3 times x, or 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So our plot is 1, 3. And lastly, we're going to find our plot when x is 2. So y equals 3 times x, or 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So our plot is 2, 6. Now we're going to plot these ordered pairs as points in the rectangular coordinate system. So our first plot is -2, 6. So here we have -2, 6. So this is our first plot. Oh, -2, -6, I'm sorry. So here, -2. Again, we'll start all over. Here we have -2, and here we have -6. So this is our first plot. So now we have -1 and -3. So we're going to go to -1, and then we're going to go to -3. So here's our second plot. Now we have a plot of 0, 0. So we're going to move to 0 and 0. So here's our third plot. Now our fourth plot is 1, 1. So it's one place to the right, and 1, 3, and 3 places up. So here's our fourth plot. Now our fifth plot, our last plot is 2, 6. So it's 2 units to the right and 6 units up. So here's our fifth plot. So now to graph it, we're going to connect the points with a smooth curve or line. So all we're going to do is draw a line through our points. So that's the graph of y equals 3x.